Jordan,
What?
what you doing?
Nothing.
You washing dishes?
Uh-huh.
Look at mommy. You washing them good?
Yep.
Alright, make sure it's nice and clean. I think it's clean now. You can rinse it out.
Okay.
No, it's all done. Rinse it out.
Okay.
Rinse it in the water and put it in the dish drain. Alright. You gonna do all of them? Okay. You helping mommy 'cause she's sick?
Yeah.
What's up with the helmet? You need a helmet on to do dishes?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I won't get water on you.
So you don't get water on you?
No.
You're silly.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah, it's done. You can rinse it out and put it in the dish drain. Yep, alright.
Got my food.
Yep, get your spoon. You're such a big helper.
Yep. I'm big helper.
Okay, be careful. Alright, it's good.
Got my top.
Rinse it out.
See?
Yeah.
Okay, this thing?
Yep. Alright, you're all done. Your dishes are done. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, you can do that one. Alright, it's clean. Rinse it out.
This?
Yep, put it in the dish drain.
This one?
Yep. Alright. Turn the water off. And squeeze all the water out. Okay. Put it up.
Yes.
Back there. Yep, now turn the water off. Other one. Look at mommy. Yay! Thank you.
You're welcome, Mommy.
Can I have kisses? Love you.